Hello everyone, my name is Kong-Chi Chung. I am a third-year computer science student majoring in network computing. My matric number is 128331. This white paper is going to talk about adware. So, what is adware? Advertising-supported software, which is also known as adware, is mainly created to display pop-ups and banner advertisements on a computer. It is typically used to gather and accumulate marketing information or display advertisements to generate revenue. But, it can be malicious when it is designed with bad intention. It normally comes in several ways to the users. First, users may get adware installed without permission simply by clicking on attachments in spam emails, on advertising banners, pop-ups, or by browsing websites that is unsafe. Second, it may come together as a bundle of a freeware that users download willingly and get installed by user rushing through the installation. When we talk about threats of adware, banners and pop-ups that appeared frequently that increases the chance of misclicking on it, which could lead the user to dangerous websites, is the common threat. But, different adware usually brings different threats. Now, we are going to look at 3 adware that brought serious effect to users. Fireball adware. An adware developed by a Beijing-based Chinese firm, Refotech, has claimed to infect over 250 million computers running Windows and macOS worldwide. Fireball has 2 main functionalities, which are the ability to hijack and manipulate infected users' web traffic to generate ad revenue, and run any code on the victim computers that allows it to download any file or malware. Fireball is a browser hijacker where it modifies the browser by changing the home page and default search engine into a fake search engine and block the user from changing them back. Besides, it includes tracking pixels to collect users' private information. What makes Fireball dangerous is that it comes with detection evasion techniques that allow it to stealth from security suites that would mark it as malicious. Furthermore, the ability to download and install browser extensions and remotely execute code on an infected device makes it a perfect backdoor for malware dropping. Superfish adware. An adware that is able to hijack encrypted web sessions and expose the system to potential HTTPS man-in-the-middle attacks besides just injecting advertisements. To do this, it replaces the legitimate site certificates by producing and installing self-signed certificates that are treated as legitimate by web browser. As Superfish used the same certificate authority, CA, private key on every single computer that has it installed, attackers could easily use the private key to decrypt every traffic from the laptops. Which means it potentially allow a malicious third person to intercept the SSL or TLS connections, thus creating an opening or hole for attackers to access personal information. Vontaru adware. A common but deadly adware that not only flood the browser with advertisements, but comes with a unique malicious functionality where it is to disable security software by adding the certificates of those security software into the untrusted certificates folder. Because of this, the system will now refuse to open, run or update any software signed with the certificate blacklisted in the untrusted certificates, which leaves the system open to potential attacks. Today, we are going to look at the ways to identify and remove the Fireball adware. To identify whether you are infected with Fireball, open the browser and go through the following questions. Was the default homepage or search engine set by you previously? Are the browser settings reset function still working, and can you modify it? Do you feel unfamiliar with the modification in entire browser as well as entire browser setting? If the answers to those questions are no, then the system has been infected by the Fireball. The first step to remove it is to start your PC in safe mode with networking. Go to Start menu, hold the Shift key and click on Restart. Then, choose Troubleshoot option from the screen and click on Advanced Options. After that, select the Startup Settings option and select Enable Safe Mode option and click Restart button. Lastly, press F5 button to enable Safe Mode with Networking option. Second step, terminate the Fireball-related running processes in the Windows Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys together to open the Windows Task Manager. Under the Process tab, select the suspicious process related to Fireball. Right-click on it and click End Task to end the process.
Created using Powtoon.